Ever wondered how a sneaker can be both mass-produced and completely unique? Forget everything you thought you knew about sneaker manufacturing.
These sneakers start as pure imagination on a screen. Watch them become reality. What if your next pair of sneakers was designed just for you by both AI and human hands? This is where your online sneaker order becomes a one-of-a-kind blueprint.
Before a single stitch is sewn, the factory has already mapped every detail of your shoe.
Can a computer predict exactly how your sneaker will feel on your foot?
This laser never touches your feet, but it decides how your sneakers will fit. Watch raw materials transform into the upper of a custom sneaker in seconds. Every color, every texture you picked is about to be sliced with microscopic precision. How do you cut hundreds of unique sneaker patterns without wasting a single scrap?
We offer extensive personalization options, allowing you to select your preferred font, color, and initials.
See how a roll of yarn turns into a fully engineered knit upper made just for you. This is the moment your unique colorway becomes more than just pixels. Ever seen a factory floor that looks more like an art studio?
This wall holds thousands of possible sneaker personalities, including yours.
Before their shoes, they're puzzles. Every piece must match your design.
This sewing station is where mass production slows down for your unique pair.
Why do luxury sneakers feel different? Watch the stitching and you'll see.
Robots don't just build cars. They help artisans stitch your sneakers too. This isn't random stitching. It's a map of how your shoe will flex and move.
See how a flat bundle of panels becomes a three-dimensional sneaker upper.
Want your name on the heel tab? It gets stitched in here by a real person.
Custom logos, limited drops, one-off collabs, they all start at this embroidery line.
This press can turn your artwork into a durable sneaker patch in seconds.
How do you mold a sole that matches one customer's style and another's performance needs?
This molten foam is about to become the bounce in your step.
Ever seen a conveyor of soles, each one different from the next?
The grip pattern under your shoe is engineered like a fingerprint.
This is where your upper finally meets its sole, where a shoe is truly born.
This is where your upper finally meets its sole, where a shoe is truly born.
Gluing sneakers isn't about slapping on adhesive. It's precise, layered chemistry.
Ever worried about your sole separating? Watch how they make sure it doesn't.
Each pair spends minutes under this press, so it can survive years on your feet. Want a split-colored midsole or gradient fade? That magic happens here. These lasers don't just cut, they engrave your story into the sneaker.
Your favorite distressed look? It's handcrafted, not an accident.
From street art to sneakers, this is where graphic prints come alive. This station handles the wildest requests: flags, team colors, even pet portraits. Every lace you've ever pulled was chosen by someone for color, feel, and function.
Even something as simple as lace tips can tell your story.
This is where comfort is tuned by millimeters of foam and fabric.
Your arch support isn't generic. It's chosen from a library of options.
Want your favorite quote under your heel? They'll print it here, just for you.
Nothing leaves this line without passing a flex test.
Peek inside the Durability Lab, where they try to destroy your sneakers so you don't. Every stitch line gets inspected, not by AI, but by trained human eyes.
If a single thread is out of place, this inspector will find it.
If a single thread is out of place, this inspector will find it.
Your custom pair gets checked against the exact digital mock-up you approved. No mix-ups allowed. Every shoe carries its own digital identity.
This barcode ties your sneakers to your story, not just a SKU.
Ever opened a box and felt like it was packed just for you? It was.
Tissue paper, stickers, and cards. Tiny touches that turn shoes into experiences.
This conveyor doesn't move generic boxes. It moves individual stories.
From online checkout to outbound truck in 48 hours. Here's how.
Ever wondered what the last thing is your sneakers see before your doorstep? This control room keeps thousands of unique orders moving perfectly in sync.
Think a custom factory is chaos? This screen proves otherwise.
Your sneakers are data points long before they touch your feet. This isn't just a shoe factory. It's a real-time customization engine.
Want glow-in-the-dark soles? There's a station just for that.
Reflective panels that light up under car headlights start life right here.
This machine adds more than color. It adds identity.
Want mismatched shoes on purpose? The system knows they're a pair.
Limited drop, numbered out of 100. See where that number gets added. Collab sneakers get special treatment from design to box. Behind every celebrity collab is a regular workstation like this.
Ever seen sneaker prototypes that will never be sold?
These test shoes go through more abuse in a week than yours will in a year.
Want to know how they test water resistance? It's brutal.
Comfort is measured, not guessed.
This machine decides how squeaky or silent your sneaker will be. Here we verify the final weight. Meeting these targets is essential for maintaining the high quality and consistency our customers expect.
Too heavy, too light, or just right? A human still decides.
Some sneakers go straight to customers. Others go to pro athletes for feedback.
This corner of the factory reads every customer review.
Tomorrow's sneaker features are hidden in today's complaints.
Sustainability starts long before recycling bins.
Old sneakers can become part of new ones.
Even the dust here is tracked for its environmental impact.
Your sneakers don't ship alone. They travel in carefully planned batches.
This scanner decides which truck your order rides in.
From factory floor to your front door, every step is time-stamped.
Most people never see the last glimpse of the factory their shoes get.
This is the moment your sneakers leave the world of machines and enter yours. Behind every order-shipped email is a whole team of people.
This worker has probably handled thousands of pairs, each one different.
This worker has probably handled thousands of pairs, each one different.
Instruct most players. Ask them what they're most proud of. It's never just the shoes.
You'll never look at your favorite kicks the same way again.
And that's how a mass-produced sneaker becomes your one-of-a-kind masterpiece. Subscribe for more factory tours.